hang on. Okay, so the number plane is where we extend from the number line. So what I want you to do, towards the middle of your page, I want you to draw in a number line. This time we're going to go from negatives through 0 to positives. So we're going to have the line here. In the middle would be 0. Down here we're going to have -1, -2 and -3. And over here we're going to have 1, 2, 3. So I want you to write that in your book. Don't put the 0 on for now. So write it in approximately the middle of your page. Don't do towards the top. Write that in your book. Okay? Now the number plane goes forever in both directions. So we put arrows on the end to say that it keeps going. Shh. I don't have to ask you to be quiet again. I need you to draw that in your book. Note that I didn't put the 0 on there. I put the dash where the 0 is going to go, but I didn't actually write my 0 on. There's a reason for that. We're going to see that in a second. So has everyone got that in?
Sorry.
Brendan?
Brendan, shut.
I am now going to draw another number line going at right angles to the one I've already drawn. So it's going to go straight through this point here, straight through the 0. So you're going to draw another line, preferably with a ruler. Oh, that was pretty bad. Let's try again. Oh, that was closer. That was closer. I want you to draw another line straight through 0. Shh. Now, we're going to put some numbers on this line. What number do you think would go here? A positive. Because we're going to call up as positive and down as negative. Alright, so we already know that right is positive and left is negative. We're now also going to have that going up is positive. Now going down is going to give me negative. So -1, -2 and -3. And they go forever in both directions. So I put the arrows on. Now remember yesterday we looked at just a little bit. We only looked at the positive numbers of this. Now we've suddenly created a number plane. So it looks like a plane. You know, like in primary school you used to draw planes that were just like the arms out. So that's why it's called a plane. Come on and use your imagination.
No,
right?
it looks like a windmill, but it looks like
okay, it's looking more like a windmill than a plane.
When the helicopter has that thing over
it does look like the helicopter more than a plane. Alright. Okay, so this one, -1, -2.
No, the down.
The down, -1, -2, -3, because I've gone down.
Yeah, but then
You want it on the left side. Well, I'll do that next time. Because it's a bit confusing with a dash and minus. Okay, fair enough. Okay, shh, quiet. This is the number plane. This point here, do you remember what this was called? Where we're at 0, it had a special name. Started with O.
orientation.
No. Origin. Well done.
Origin.
So it's not the state of origin. This point here is the point of origin. Okay, so this point here, that red dot, okay, equals the origin. It's called the origin because it's where all the numbers start from. So just like state of origin is from the state that you started in, okay, whether you were born in New South Wales or Queensland, the number plane origin, the point of origin, is where all the numbers start from. They start from 0. So we have 0 forwards, 1, 2, 3, or 0 backwards, -1, -2, -3. So that point there is 0, 0.
That looks
Now-
pretty weird, that equal sign. It looks like floppy.
Okay, so, okay, shh, quiet. Remember, each point we need to give instructions on how to get there. Which instruction did we do first? Did we do across or up first?
across.
Across. So we're always going to give our across instruction first. At the point point of origin, I haven't gone across and I haven't gone up or down. So what do you think my coordinates would be?
0, 0.
Yes. So those of you who weren't here yesterday, Ryan, leave it alone and sit down. Brendan, pick up your books and move one seat over. Okay? So this point here, see I've put 0, 0 and they're in brackets. That tells me, we'll move 2 seats over there. That tells me that I go 0 across and then 0 up and down. Now, we're going to go into the negatives today. We're going to look at this point over here, looking at the cross where the green is. I've had enough. Draw that cross. So I want you to put a cross in the same spot I did.
Oh.
Okay?
So there's 2
So
zeros.
can you see here, I have gone backwards. So to show that I've gone backwards, I'm going to write my first point as -2. So I went back 2. Where did I go then? Did I go up or down? Up. Now remember, up is positive, so I've gone up 1. So I'm going to put that, my instructions to find that point is -2, 1. Remember, they must be in brackets so that we know they are together.
So this is like a map, but
It's just like a map, but we could go forwards and backwards and up and down.
oh yeah, it's like north, east, south, west.
It is like north, south, east, west. Well done.
You are.
Alright, let's pick another point. Let's say I've got this point over here. Okay. Who thinks they can tell me the coordinates of this point over here? What do you think it will be, Josh?
1 minus
1 minus 3. That's correct because I've gone across 1 and down 3. Alright, what about this point here? Someone different. Who thinks they can tell me what this point would be? -2, -2. They're both the same because I went back 2 and then down 2. Okay, what if I asked you, I want you to draw on your picture where this one is, I want you to draw the point 2, 1 before I do. So I'll give you 30 seconds. 2, 1. I want you to put a cross at the point 2, 1. A dot is fine, a dot or a cross, something at the point 2,
2 in the middle.
1.
2 and 1.
2, 1. So the coordinates 2, 1. So across 2, up 1.
Oh, so there and then there.
I want you to draw the 1 dot on where you think that would be. And then you're going to check to see if you got it right. Alright, so if you did that correctly, 2, 1 means you go across 2, up 1, and you should have a point there. Did everyone get that one right?
No.
Yeah.
No?
Yes.
Most people.
So if you can number your
Alright, I want you to draw another dot, this time at -2, 0. -2, 0. Find me the point that you think is -2, 0.
There. I know. It's that one to there.
No, it's here on Fairly.
Here?
Oh, it's upwards, down the bottom.
Okay, -2, 0. That tells me I go back 2, and then I don't move up or down at 0. So I would be actually on that line. That is the point, -2, 0. Alright, 2 more. I want you to draw the point 2, -2.
2 minus 2.
2 minus 2. Find the point 2 minus 2.
What?
2 minus 2. Find that point. Come on,
Easy.
concentrating.
Easy peasy.
Brendan is like a map. So do your cross first. No, you take a seat.
It's on the 2 to go to -2.
It is
To there. And
Okay, is everyone done theirs on their map? Okay, so 2 minus 2 means 2 across and then down 2. So you should have a point here. How do we go with that one? Did everyone get that one right? Excellent. All right, last one. I want you to find the point 0, 3. 0, 3.
Found it.
Okay, put a dot there.
Oh.
0, 3.
So that'll be there. But
So 0, careful with the 0.
it's on top
3.
of the 3.
It's exactly on top of the 3 because 0 means I don't move across. So I stay in here and then I go up 3 and this point here is 0, 3. And that's the number plane. Ryan, could you stop our video? That's great for today. We're
Yay!
going to go on to something different now. Excellent work.
They're watching.